Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Zcash using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And here on the top of the screen, as you can see, there are four icons: the send, receive, buy, and trade icon. Now you can get cryptos by receiving or buying them. And now let's try the receive button. Here you can search for any specific crypto, or you can just scroll down. Now we are talking about Zcash, so just tap in it, and then you will receive your QR code. And with using this QR code, you can receive Zcash into your Trust Wallet app, or you can scan it for yourself and send your Zcash to the Trust Wallet app. And you can also copy your Trust Wallet address and you can receive Zcash that way. The middle icon, the set amount icon, is a very cool feature to set a specific amount of crypto, and then you will receive a new QR code and a new address. And by sending this address or this QR code, you can receive a specific amount of Zcash, which is a very good way for transactions or payments. And the third icon is share. You can use this for sharing your QR code or address on social media or other platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.